Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to like a game inside your Roblox app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up your Roblox game as you normally would. Make sure to sign in. And once we've signed in, we're going to be brought to the home page here. So go ahead and find that game you'd like to like or give a like to. So we can do this in a couple of different ways. You can manually search for the game using the search bar at the top right hand corner of the page, or we can scroll down and find the game that you've been playing previously by clicking on continue. You can check out some recommended for you games. So yeah, it doesn't matter how you find the game, just once you've found the game. So if I like this one here called Dress to Impress, I'm going to click into it, and now I'm going to click into it again, and now scroll down. And now from here, to like the game, just scroll down again here. You'll see a big like with 2.4 million votes. So to like it, simply tap on the plus, the like button, which is the arrow up. To dislike it, press the arrow button down.